Hi everyone. Today I have a very nice and special Pokelit version of this famous flashlight. I have the natural alloy titanium, as they call it on their website. This is practically a stonewashed titanium finish of the Pokelit. And this guy has an extra feature that the previous versions didn't have. It has a strobe. It has 3 modes and a strobe, which is awesome. So let's go and see what ACEBEAM provides with the flashlight inside the box. Let's remove everything. Okay, here's a look of the box on all sides. And yeah, we got the usual product certification, the manual, and here you can see some information about the 3 modes that the flashlight has. Basically it has a high mode, which is 1000 lumen, and medium mode, which is 115 lumen, and the low one, which is 5 lumens. Strobe, I think, yeah, it's 1000 lumens. Let's put that aside and see what's in the accessory box. We have the usual cable to charge the battery, and this nice lanyard, as well as a pair of rubber inserts for the waterproof sealing. Yeah, that's it. The manual. Let's put all this aside and see the actual flashlight. Alright, let's take a look at the finish. The finish is it's very nice. It looks like the E70 Mini and the E70 and the Rider RX. It's a similar finish, stonewashed. You see on the top, the tail calp, it's a rubber insert, so you can be more comfortable pressing the on and off. On the front we have the LED along with scratch proof glass on top. Yeah, this option has 6500K LED. It's a cool white. Has a throw of 114 meters. As we said, 3 brightness levels, and also has an intelligent memory function. That means if you open the flashlight and close it, it will remember this last mode that you used. For the battery, let's open battery compartment. That's the head. There is no spring on the head. The battery is the usual battery that comes with all Pokelits, 3.7 volts. It also has a USB Type-C, and yeah, there is a spring on the back, and it's all titanium. As you can see, the pocket clip is stainless steel with black coating. It's very well lubed here as well as on the tail cap. Yeah, I'm very pleased with this particular one, because I wanted to buy that for a long time, and yeah, I saw that on AliExpress for around 35 euros. I think it's a fair price for this kind of quality and power that it provides. Let's see the modes. The modes is low, medium, high, and if you change fast the modes before the second medium, after the second medium, you have strobe. You can also half press it and it opens. It turns on the flashlight, the last used mode. You don't have to press it all the way, and you can also change the modes like that. Just light press the button and change the modes. Flashlight also is compatible with alkaline batteries and NIMH AA batteries. I think these are rechargeable, but I guess the output will be a lot less than 1000 lumens. So water resistant, IP68, and dust proof. I have the regular ACEBEAM here if you want to take a look how they compare. On the top, the weight of this, I forgot to say, is 72 grams including the battery. The length is around 95 millimeters. The head diameter is 18.2 millimeters and the body here is 17.8. It's a pretty compact flashlight, and if you're searching something that you want to have it in your pocket, you don't care if it scratches or falls down as an everyday carry. I think this is a solid option, because the aluminum will be scratched and the color will fade in around the scratches. This will keep better for a very long time. Thank you guys again. If you liked the video, please subscribe, and bye. 1000 lumens, cool white. Let's see how it performs. Okay, it's on low right now. I think it's 5 lumens. It's plenty of light to see in front of you. 5 meters, maybe a little more. We got medium. And high. Low. Medium. High. Low. Medium. High. Right, thank you guys for watching, and have a great night. Bye.